So I'm the last one to present today, and I'm going about it slightly different. I always choose the simplest thing I can possibly do. And this time around, it is actually as CEO, where I used to ask anybody who joins the company to learn Python. I wouldn't necessarily need them to use Python. I wouldn't necessarily need them to automate stuff, although it would be great, but at the very least have a mutual language of this is what programming looks like. This is how you create things. These are what bugs are. And for me, I decided to kind of use AI, right, Claude, I started ChatGPT, to try and look at people, this is a fake data set, who registered and see, hey, who actually was on the Zoom and who registered, just to compare some notes. So all I really did was go to Claude, and let's just do it together with you. Hey, I want you to create an apps script for Google Sheets where tab comparing, let's tell it what we want it to do, comparing two tabs by the email field and putting the results into a third tab, right? Tab 1 is, let's look, form 1 and zoom 1, we can remember that, right, is form 1, sample, just so I don't need to tell it what to do. And anybody in the company now should be able to do this on their own and be very tech savvy. So this is sample 1. Then we have tab 2, which is zoom 1. Let's give them sample. Zoom 1, copy, paste. Right? That's all we really want. Please add a column at the beginning telling me which tab the row came from, the person came from, and if from both, write both. Should be good enough, right? Let's try it out. And essentially, I no longer need people to learn how to use Python, but I can definitely enable them to automate and get a lot of things done. This will take about 30 seconds. You have all seen this before, you've all done this before, but have you actually spent time trying to teach others and empower your company, your team, including QA, or who should be able to do this already, the secretary, whoever it is, to be able to actually be powered and empowered by this. So I'm gonna just copy the code. Actually, I think I forgot to tell it where to output things to, right? Where do we want to output things to? Into the tab output. Please send the results to the tab output. Simple enough. And it's gonna just rewrite it real quick. Now, as I was doing this, what was really important for me was seeing how much I ran into bugs, how much things just refused to work, just vibe coding, right? And here we go, it's ready. We're going to go to app scripts, remove this, save, run JavaScript and pray. Let's go here, go into output, boom, it's done. Let's look at output. We have both. Form 1, zoom 1, zoom 1, zoom 1. And that's it. Very, very simple, but so powerful when you put it in the hands of people who were not technologically literate and could not automate for themselves. And I am done with that. We have a question here. Yeah, Claude would not work at all for me without Max Plan. I will tell you I run out, absolutely, of tokens, and I do pay more because I use Claude all the time now. Working on your issue code, number of token, yes, absolutely. I did try to do it with ChatGPT. It wasn't as good, and Cursor and all the others are using Claude as their baseline. So I think that's pretty powerful. And let's see what Moon says. This is how at least 2 of us on my team write Python. Well, at least you know what you're doing. And that's pretty much it. Thank you so much. I could have chosen to use formulas. I chose not to do it. But again, the powerful thing here is to let people have the strength of actually getting everything done.